the lab, mga kabayan, and today I am very emotional because I have my new Canon EOS 250 camera, and because I'm using old phone while I'm doing my video blog, and now I have my new latest camera here in UK. Someone sponsoring me, and thank you for that. And they said this is the best memories. God, look, this is Roman. Sorry, that one. And this is my new camera. Yes, I'm very, very happy for that. Look, I'm very, very excited. What's inside? I never saw here yet, so I'm very excited. So let's see, and we open. I open it. I feel nervous because this is my first time to have this kind of camera, especially the latest one, and they said this is the best one for vlogging because they said that you love taking video and posting in YouTube, so this is for you. Oh, thank you. So let's go have a look inside. What's inside? So here we go. This is my new latest camera, Canon EOS 250D. I'm so excited. So open. I never saw this inside yet, so I'm very excited. And this is the camera. Oh, I'm so excited for this one. Ooh, it's so nice. And this is you can flip like that, so we can do selfie, or we can do like so I'm very excited. Then look, and this is the lens. Lenses, too many packaging. That's nice. That's nice. And then what is this there? So I think and then I'm gonna open this. And then I think we have to do that. There we go. this one and this one. It's very interesting. So this is the final step, or the final when I set up everything for my new camera for my vlogging, and I'm very excited. So I can twist there so that I can see, or like this. That if I'm not do vlogging, I can just remove this, and this is my new camera. It's very, very beautiful, and I'm so happy because, you know, this is my first time I got this. See, my fluffy mic, and I will see you all from my new video for my new camera. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, and if you like my video, please do the thumbs up, and I'll see you soon for my next video. See you all. Bye.